As far as Barcelona playing host to X Games, I think it's a perfect marriage. Meaning Barcelona has all the passion, all the lifestyle that naturally is taking place here. So having an event like X Games coming to Barcelona, it's a perfect marriage. I think there is a big desire from the international side, the IOC side, to make sure that they are presenting sports that are youth relevant. For skateboarding and BMX freestyle, we're okay with that, but we just got to make sure that the youth are protected in their thought process, because they're the ones that created this. It was not an organization. It was the passion that comes from the heart. And as long as we can come together to make sure that that passion always is the governance, we're okay with going to the games. There was a sense of enjoyment to be able to share what these athletes, what this youth have somewhat created, and to share this with the more traditional world, what is really the audience here, is very, very special and very deserving. And I think in the future, these kids, these youth, will somewhat re-educate sort of the thought process of how sport is thought of globally.